Hello, welcome to our class discussion. This is teacher Nino Della Saldi.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you today? Fine. I hope everybody is having, a good day today. Everybody is feeling great today. There we go.
After the greetings and prayer, I also introduced to them the objectives.
Objectives. Okay, first is you have to identify the main idea and supporting details in different text topics. Differentiate between the main ideas and supporting details throughout the discussion and peer analysis. So you will have a group activity later on and summarize the passage using graphic organizers and collaborative feedback. Okay? Sige. Now, before we start, I have prepared a passage, and I want you to identify. I will give you 2 minutes to do that. Please analyze, read carefully the passage, and later on, I will ask you to identify the main ideas. Okay, are you ready? Yes, sir! Very good. This is the first passage. I want you to understand the main idea.
Presented the passage 1 and let them analyze what is the main idea.
Okay, for passage 1, what do you think is the main idea of the passage? Okay, so here are the choices. A, renewable energy is harmful to the environment. B, fossil fuels are the best energy sources. C, green energy solutions help combat climate change. D, solar power is the only form of renewable energy. I want you to read once again, Ms. Zaira.
Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power are becoming increasingly important in the fight against climate change. These energy sources provide an environmental, clean-friendly alternative to fossil fuels, reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainability. Governments and private sectors so far industry.
Presented the passage 2 and call students to analyze the main idea.
Okay, so the answer is C. Letter C. Green energy solutions help combat climate change. Now let's proceed to passage 2. Technology has changed the way people communicate with the rise of social media, messaging apps, and video calls. Individuals can stay connected regardless of location. However, concerns about reduced to face-to-face interaction and digital addiction have also emerged. Now, what is the main idea of the passage? Okay? So A, technology has made communication harder. B, the rise of social media has no impact on communication. C, digital communication has benefits and challenges. And D, people no longer need face-to-face conversation. Yes, Miss Maria.
Letter C. Digital communication has benefits and challenges.
Very good. Letter C, digital communication has benefits and challenges. Okay, for the next passage, advancement in medical technology have significantly improved patient care. Innovations such as robotic surgeries, artificial organs, and personalized medicine have increased survival rates and enhanced treatment options. And what is the main idea of the passage? Yes, Mr. John, sorry. A, B, C, or D?
Letter A. Medical technology has improved healthcare and patient health.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now, let's proceed to the last passage. Who would like to read the passage? Anyone from the class? Yes, Mr. Mark.
Social media has been how people interact with one another. Allows instant communication, making it easier to stay connected. However, excessive social media use can also increase face-to-face interaction and social anxiety.
Thank you so much. So what is the main idea of the passage? Is it letter A, social media improves friendships? Letter B, social media has both benefits and drawbacks. Letter C, face-to-face interactions are unnecessary. Letter D, social media causes anxiety. Yes, anyone who would like to help Mr. Mark? Yes, Miss Miss Freya. Very good. Okay. Congratulations, everybody, and thank you so much for your participation in our first activity. Now, before we proceed,
This time I have introduced to them the strategies in identifying main ideas and supporting details.
okay, let's proceed to strategies for identifying the main idea. Okay, so these will help you identify the main ideas and the passages. So these are some of the techniques or strategies. So let's first look at the title and the headings, or look at the first line of the passage and the last line of the passage, or the finale line of the passage. Example, because titles, sometimes the first line, the first sentence, and the headings often give clues about the main idea of the passage. For example, in a passage titled The Benefits of Exercise, the main idea is likely related to how exercises improves health. Okay, next, words or ideas. So if a word or phrase is repeated multiple times, it is likely connected to the main idea. Example of the passage frequently mentions healthy eating, so nutritious food, and balanced diet. So probably, the main idea is likely about the importance of eating healthy foods. Okay, I'm so sorry for the... Next, number 3. Number 3, summarize the paragraph in one sentence. So after reading, you have to ask yourself, what is this mostly about? What is the passage mostly about? You try to state it in your own words, in your own dialect or in your own language, for you to understand the main idea. Okay, next, distinguish between supporting details and the main idea. Of course, before you can craft or identify the main idea, you have to look for supporting details. Because supporting details provide examples, evidences, or explanation. And the main idea is a central point they support. For example, the main idea, technology has improved communication. So probably the supporting details along the passage, if you read the passage, faster emails, video calls, instant messaging, and many more. Okay, next, use the who or what strategy. You have to ask who or what is this passage all about, and what is the most important thing being said about it. Example, rainforests are essential for maintaining global oxygen levels. So who or what? We are talking about rainforests. Most important point is they help maintain oxygen levels. Okay. Next, check for a thesis statement for longer text. So in essays or articles, the main idea is statement of this, often stated in the introduction part, introductory part of the passage, usually in the thesis statement. Alright, do you have any questions, clarifications before we proceed to our activity? None so far. Stop the
After discussion, they also enjoy the activity about main idea and supporting details. Group them also into 4 and inform them about the activity.
You don't have any questions about our topic, let us now proceed to our activity. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will group you into 4 groups. This will be group 1, this will be group 2, you will be group 3, and you will be the last group, group 4. Okay? So I have prepared here a paper so that you will write your answer here. Group 1, another group, 4, group 3, and group 4. Okay? So I will give you 2 minutes to read the passage. And you will create a graphic organizer. No, write the main idea, you identify the main idea as well as the supporting details from the passage. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Your timer starts now.
Each group presented their answers and discuss it with other groups.
Alright? Time is up, but before anything else, let us read all together the passage. Okay, all together, the importance of sleep.
Sleep is essential for maintaining good health. When people get enough rest, their bodies can repair themselves and their brains function better. Lack of sleep can lead to problems like poor concentration, weakened immunity, and increased stress. Doctors recommend that adults get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to stay healthy.
Okay, very good. So what do you think is the main idea and supporting details? Yes!
For our group, sir, the main idea is sleep is important for good health and supporting details where lack of sleep causes poor concentration, weak immunity, and stress. And also, doctor recommends 7 to 8 hours of sleep for adults, and sleep helps the body repair itself, and lastly, improves brain function.
Very good. Let us give a round of applause for group 3.
Each group presented their answers and afterwards informed them the correct answers. Eventually, they all have the same main idea and supporting details.
Alright, for the group 3, according to them, the main idea is sleep is important for good health. How about the other group? The same answer. Very good. For supporting details, sleep helps the body repair itself. Any group who also answers sleep helps the body repair itself? Yes. The same answer. Very good. It improves brain function?
Yes.
Lack of sleep causes poor concentration, weak immunity, and stress?
Yes.
And doctors recommend 7 to 8 hours of sleep for adults.
Yes.
Do you have the same answer with other groups? Okay, very good. Now, do you have any questions? Clarifications? None so far. Since you don't have any questions, I have prepared assignment or homework for everybody. Okay? Read a biography and extract key details, then prepare a short oral summary. Okay? Write it on a one-whole yellow paper and submit it tomorrow. Do you have any questions? Clarifications? If none, okay, please stand for our closing prayer. Amen.
Amen.
Ended the discussion and activity with a prayer. Acknowledge their participation and thank them also.
The end. Thank you and God bless us all.